Hey guys, Killing Hunter here. So, I have a flipping channel called Vortex Tricking, and I recently launched my first flipping tutorial on how to do a backflip, and you can click on it right here to watch the video. If you like the video, be sure to give it a like and tell me in the comments what flipping tutorials you want me to make next so I can help you on your flipping journey. Also, if you like the Vortex Tricking channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel as fast as you can and turn on those post notifications so you know when I post my next flipping tutorial that can help you in your stages of flipping. Anyways, let's get on with the video where I ditched Nicholas. Man, it's hot. I should go to the pool. Wait, I should go to the pool. Mom! Mom!
Yes, honey?
Mom, I'm heading out to the pool.
Okay, that's fine. Have a great time.
All right, thanks. I'm gonna go right now.
Pool? I love pool.
Please leave. No, please don't.
Take.
No. No. No!
Why?
Oh my gosh. Please don't go.
Come on, you go like so many times.
Mom, please get me out of this. I can't take it.
Let me.
Because of so many problems, it's
You go
unbearable.
so many times, like 100 times.
Michael, I'll let you go this time without him, but promise me next time you go, you'll take him, okay?
Okay, I got it.
Okay, thanks.
I'm off now.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, that's not fair.
Nicholas, you're not going.
I want to go.
Going.
Let me go. Yes, I am. Get out. No.
Nicholas is always a nuisance.
Mom.
Yes, baby?
Mom, can Michael let me go to the pool?
Honey, he's not going to take you to the pool this time, but he promised me next time he's going to take you.
But he goes 100 times.
I know, but he may be meeting his friends there, and he knows that if he takes you, he's got to watch you, and then he can't hang out with his friends. So I told him next time.
That's not fair.
It's okay, honey. Next time. Okay?
Oh, fine.
Okay, thanks, baby.
Next time, nothing. I'm going there now.
Old reliable.
Wait until he gets a load of me. That was close.
That was weird.
You should have let me go with you, Michael.